From the Guinness World Record-breaking cars to luxury and limited edition vehicles, we got it all. Join us as we embark on a high-speed journey through the top 10 best and fastest electric vehicles in 2023. These supercars are not just regular electric vehicles. Their specification, design, and capabilities will leave you in awe. Let's get into the video. Number 10. Porsche Taycan Turbo S. At number 10 is the Porsche Taycan Turbo S, a beast that doesn't hold back. With a remarkable 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in just 2.6 seconds, it joins the ranks of the fastest Porsche models, standing shoulder to shoulder with the 911 Turbo S. And that's not all. The Taycan Turbo S holds the Guinness World Record for the fastest indoor land speed record, showcasing its lightning-fast capabilities even in confined spaces. It also sets the record for the fastest production electric car at the McLaren Raceway Road Atlanta, proving its dominance on the track. The Porsche Taycan Turbo S features dual electric motors with a staggering 750 horsepower. All this power at a starting price of $185,000, reflecting the top-notch engineering and cutting-edge technology packed into this electric speed car. At number 9 is the 2023 Mercedes-AMG EQS 4MATIC. The Mercedes is one of the fastest electric vehicles designed for family use. Priced at $147,550, the 2023 Mercedes-AMG comes at a premium, commanding a $22,000 increase compared to the $580 trim counterparts. However, this investment rewards you with a significant power boost that will propel you out of your seat when you unleash its full potential. This impressive electric vehicle also boasts a respectable range of 277 miles, making it a practical choice while delivering a thrilling driving experience. The 2023 Mercedes-AMG EQS competes against the formidable rivals like the Audi RS e-tron GT and the Tesla Model S, offering an excellent alternative for those seeking both performance and practicality on the road. Next up is the world's fastest four-door vehicle, the Tesla Model S Plaid. This EV has an astonishing 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in 1.99 seconds. It holds an impressive Nürburgring lap record of 7 minutes and 30 seconds in its stock configuration. The Model S Plaid recently received an upgrade, introducing the track mode for enhanced on-track capabilities. Tesla plans to replace the LiDAR system with a Tesla Vision and equip the Model S Plaid with the high-performance brakes developed in collaboration with NASA, raising the bar even higher. Starting at $129,990, the Tesla Model S Plaid stands tall among contenders like the Porsche Taycan 4S and the gasoline alternative like Mercedes-Benz S-Class, which is not as fast. This electric powerhouse offers compelling options for those seeking a blend of speed, innovation, and luxury in their driving experience. Now, welcome to the world of Lotus. Boasting a blistering 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in 3 seconds is the Lotus Evija. The Evija stands as one of the first electric hypercars in the world, signifying a shift in direction for the Lotus brand. According to Lotus, the Evija can go from 0 to 124 miles per hour in under 6 seconds and reach 186 miles per hour in approximately 10 seconds. The Evija offers 5 distinct driving modes: range, city, tour, sports, and track. In the track mode, this powerhouse can be driven at maximum performance for a remarkable 7 minutes without experiencing even a 1% drop in the battery charge, thanks to its exceptional aerodynamics and cooling capabilities. The Lotus Evija competes against the Rimac Rivera, Pininfarina Battista, and the Aspark Owl. Only a limited production of 130 units is planned for the Lotus Evija, each carrying a price tag of approximately $2.3 million. At number 6 is the Maserati Beast. In the late 2022, Maserati made waves by introducing the newest generation of the GranTurismo. This unveiling marked a significant milestone for the brand with the announcement of its very first electric power sports car. Under the hood of the GranTurismo Folgore are three 300,000 kilowatt electric motors, generating an impressive 750 horsepower. These motors draw their power from a robust 92.5 kilowatt battery, providing an estimated range of approximately 240 miles. The model also benefits from the fast charging capabilities, enabling it to gain up to 60 miles of range in just 5 minutes when connected to a high-speed 270 kilowatt charging station. Maserati claims the GranTurismo Folgore will go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.7 seconds, while reaching an impressive top speed of 202 miles per hour. Set to hit the market in 2023, the new GranTurismo Folgore will be available a little over $200,000. Moving on, we have the Lucid Air Dream Edition. This car showcases an impressive acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds. Inside the Lucid Air, the interior boasts a remarkable 34-inch 5K touchscreen panel featuring a highly user-friendly Lucid user experience interface. The Lucid Air offers a range of driver assistance systems, including Level 2 and Level 3 self-driving capabilities. Additionally, it is the first vehicle in the world to provide a Dolby Atmos audio experience. The Lucid Air also has one of the best LiDAR systems available. With a starting price of $170,650, the Lucid Air Dream Edition performance faces fierce competition from the Tesla Model S and the Porsche Taycan Turbo. And number 4 on our list is the Tesla Roadster. Tesla made its entry into the electric vehicle market with the Roadster. This model's first edition debuted in 2008, but unfortunately it fell short of the company's expectations. However, Tesla's ambitions to redefine electric performance were revived with the announcement of the new Roadster in 2017. Although the launch of the improved Roadster 2.0 faced significant delays, Elon Musk assures us that 2023 will be the year when it finally arrives. The new Tesla Roadster has 3 electric motors, with 2 positioned on the rear axle and 1 on the front, generating an astonishing 7,376 pound-feet of torque. While the specific horsepower figures remains undisclosed, we know that the 2023 Tesla Roadster will accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in an astonishing 1.6 seconds, or an even more impressive 1.1 seconds with the optional SpaceX package. Additionally, it boasts a top speed of over 250 miles per hour, solidifying its position as a high-performance electric marvel. The Pininfarina Battista needs no introduction. It is one of the most visually captivating, fastest, and most powerful electric vehicle globally. In February 2023, it demonstrated its remarkable capabilities during a test drive. It solidified its position as the quickest accelerating electric vehicle by completing the quarter-mile sprint in a mere 8.55 seconds. Powering the Battista are the 4 permanent magnet synchronous motors, collectively generating astounding 1,900 horsepower and 1,741 pound-feet of torque. In the same test drive in India, this electric vehicle supercar achieved a mind-blowing 0 to 60 mile per hour acceleration in 1.79 seconds, aligning perfectly with the company's initial claims. The Pininfarina further asserts that the Battista can accelerate from 0 to 186 miles per hour in 10.5 seconds and can reach an estimated top speed of 270 miles per hour. However, Runika Kirpilani managed to push the Battista to an impressive top speed of 222 miles per hour. The exclusivity of the Pininfarina Battista is emphasized by the fact that there's only 150 units that will be manufactured, each commanding a price tag of $2.2 million. This limited production runs adds to the allure and prestige of this extraordinary electric supercar. At number 2 is Japan's first fully electric supercar, the Aspark Owl. Set to significantly impact the market, this superb electric vehicle not only competes fearlessly with the Lotus Evija for the title of the world's most powerful electric car, but also establishes itself as one of the fastest electric cars in the world. Made from a remarkable lightweight carbon fiber chassis weighing only 264.5 pounds, the Owl is propelled by 4 permanent Magnum synchronous motors generating an impressive 1,984 horsepower and 1,475 pound-feet of torque. This electric supercar accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.69 seconds and achieves a top speed of 249 miles per hour, all while offering a range of 280 miles. Only 50 units of the Aspark Owl will be manufactured with a price tag of $2.8 million. And now, the ultimate electric powerhouse that claims the top spot on our list, the Rimac Rivera. After setting the record in 2022, continues to hold this position as the fastest electric car globally even in 2023. This record was set at Germany's automotive testing Papenburg track with Rimac's chief test and a development driver at the helm. The superiority of this car extends beyond this record with a 0 to 60 mile per hour runtime of 1.5 seconds and a 0 to 180 miles per hour acceleration time of 9.3 seconds. The Rivera has remarkable speed. The Rimac Rivera harnesses the power of 4 electric motors, combining to deliver an impressive 1,914 horsepower and 1,741 pound-feet of torque. These electric motors are powered by a 120 kilowatt battery pack, ensuring a commendable range of 342 miles according to the worldwide harmonized light vehicle test procedure ratings. To maintain its exclusivity, the Rivera is limited to a production run of just 150 units, each carrying a price tag of approximately $2 million. You have witnessed the raw power, speed, and groundbreaking technology. Now, it's your turn to join the conversation. Which electric vehicle on this list has caught your attention? And which other electric vehicle should have made the cut? Let us know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to Future EV for more exciting electric vehicle content.